Introducing the Sistema KLIP It Accents Collection Sandwich Box Food Storage Container. This compact and versatile food storage container is designed to transport your sandwiches with ease. With its lid featuring easy locking clips and an extended flexible seal, you can keep your sandwiches fresh and secure. The modular stacking design of this container also helps you save valuable space in your kitchen, fridge, or freezer. Made from 100% virgin plastic, this container is phthalate and BPA-free, ensuring the safety of your food. It is also top-rack dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. You can store it in the fridge or freezer, and it is even microwave safe without the lid. The Sistema KLIP It Accents Collection Sandwich Box Food Storage Container is manufactured by Sistema, a reputable brand known for its high-quality products. It has received rave reviews, with a customer rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars. This container has a capacity of 15.2 ounces or 0.5 liters, making it perfect for holding your sandwiches. Its dimensions are 6.1 by 5.9 by 1.7 inches, and it weighs only 3.52 ounces. As an added bonus, this container is mildew-resistant and BPA-free, ensuring the durability and safety of your food. It is also dishwasher safe and requires no assembly. So, say goodbye to messy lunches and hello to organized eating with the Sistema KLIP It Accents Collection Sandwich Box Food Storage Container. Get yours today by clicking the short link in the description.